Olé, olé, olé. Rosé, all day. I'm gonna show you how to make a rosé trifle dessert. It's romantic, sexy. This trifle dessert is gonna make you say, ooh la la. So the first thing we're gonna do is make a rosé jello. I got some gelatin sheets here. Put them in a bowl. The secret ingredient, rosé, all day, olé. All right, a little bit of rosé in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. Then we got some sugar. I'm gonna leave this in here to let the gelatin sheets bloom. And then once it's bloomed, I'm gonna heat it all up to dissolve the sugar. So now that I got my rosé jello, I'm going to take my rosé flute, pour it in, go about a little bit more. I'm gonna throw 2 beautiful raspberries inside, and I'll put this in the refrigerator to let it become jello. Now that the jello is cold, I'm going to take some of my raspberry mousse here, and I'm going to pipe it in my cup. Now it's time for that raspberry Couli. Raspberry Geleé is basically just raspberries and sugar and apple pectin, the same stuff you make jelly with. So now I'm gonna cut my red velvet up. I'm gonna throw a couple little red velvet squares in there. All right, fill that in with our raspberry mousse. Delicious. I'm gonna finish it with these beautiful raspberries I got here. I mean, this could be perfect just like this, but I figured let's step it up another notch. We're gonna make a rosé bubbly. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I take some rosé with a little bit of a stabilizer, and it's gonna make some beautiful froth. So now we got some bubbles here. Just kind of pour them on top. Don't that look good? You know you want some of this. This is the good stuff here. I mean, look how sexy this thing looks. You got the rosé jello with the raspberry mousse and the raspberry Couli. It's really a pretty summery looking dessert. It's something that you could spoon in, have a lot of fun with. So here is a rosé trifle. Salute. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Comment below if there's anything else you want me to do. And you know what they say, rosé all day. Olé. See you next time.